This is eOrder application. Okay, so how to install this application? First I will tell you. Just go in Play Store and you have to type eOrder application name. Like application name is like eOrder. So this application you have to download from Play Store, and that application is available from iOS and Android also. So after installing this application, you have to come in the application, and that is the home screen of our application, and two options reflecting in top: place order and collection. And that is the main like point, or like you can say that feature. So how you can do like order activity? Just go in place order option, party outlets reflecting. You can figure out for like route wise, area wise, that is depend on you. So first of all, I'm just selecting like one customer. This window will be appear. So four options like order, location, call, mark visit. Suppose that if you want to do like order activity, so simply you have to go in order option. If you want to update the location, like customer location, so you have to use location option. If you take like orders now by call, so by call you can use this option. If you enter like customer ledger, in customer ledger like his number, so directly they can call from eOrder application and take like orders as well. And mark visit option, suppose that he visit like this shop, like new shop, but for few reason he not taking like orders. So what is the remark of that location? So simply if they want to type like his own remark, so they can also type his own remark as well. Otherwise, like there is a common like reason is there, so simply just select and there is a submit option reflecting in bottom, so they can take like this report from this option as well. Go in 3 lines and mark visit option. So that like activity na, basically they can track like what is the remark of that particular customer, why he is not taking like orders payment. After that, suppose that how they can do like order activity, just click on place order option, select like customer, and click on order option. So four types they can search his item. So first is like item wise, simply they have to type like 2-3 alphabets related with the items, then select his item and fill the quantity, like how much quantity he want. So if he suppose that this item he need like 1 pieces, and they want to change like rate also, 13 or 15, anything you can enter. And is there any this same product is like free, so they can click on free option as well and click on add option. After that, like item will be appear in background, and if you want to type like another item, so that is the same procedure. So I'm just selecting Dolo. So Dolo next is there, I'm selecting this one, and I need one item. Click on add option, then save. And there is a few remarks is there. If they want to change like this remark, so they can also do that. If like order is like in high priority, so they can change the remark. So if he will be appear in like mark system na, so that is reflecting in red color. So item, total item value, GST, and total amount is also reflecting. If they want to place this order, they can place that order as well. And if they want to share like hand to hand to his customer, so just go in order list option. There is a filter option is there. If I select like today, so there is a sharing option is also there, and they can share by WhatsApp and mail also. So apart from this, there is a collection option. How to take like collection, just go in this option, new option, and party reflecting like with his invoices. So with whatever invoice you want to pay like amount, you have to select the invoice, and suppose that your customer not paying full amount, that called part payment, so you can change the amount and pay now and submit. So that collection is also reflecting in mark system directly. So if you want to share as in PDF also, so that option is also enabled. Apart from this, In mobile application, stock status is also there. They can check his whole stock company wise whole, and if they want to check like whole stock like means empty item, so they can also check. And invoice after order process, that order convert to invoice, that invoice is also reflecting in mobile. And if they want to check like how many item will be there, like salesman wants to check, so they can also do that, check it. And if they want to share as in PDF, so there is a PDF option is also there, if so they can share it as well. Apart from this, outstanding is there. They can share his outstanding by WhatsApp, by mail. So that is the basically home screen of that our application. If you will provide like target achievement, so that thing is also appear, and his like achievement is also reflecting. And that is our application, sir. Main features is like place order and collection. Other features is like only for visibility.